In front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any kind of options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to fix it, you need to tap on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled, and then log in to any app. Then hit Save in Google Autofill pop-up and go back to the same settings. As you can see, my password is over here, and now thanks to this plus next to search passwords, I can add any other password from those settings. In order to do it now, after tapping on the plus, input all of those informations. Enter any website or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and if you wish to, take some helpful notes. When you finished, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my passwords were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!